Hi everyone, The Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to reorder video clips on your Reel timeline on Instagram. So here we've got Instagram open and I'm going to show you how to reorder clips once you put it in the timeline. So go ahead and tap on the plus sign. We'll go ahead and create a reel. We'll go ahead and select 2 videos or 3. Tap next. Skip this. Now here we'll go ahead and tap on edit video. This will show us the timeline. So as you can see, currently we have 3 videos on our timeline. So if I want to reorder these clips on my timeline, I'll go ahead and swipe left from the bottom until I see reorder. So I'll tap on this and now I can go ahead and select the one I want to reorder and drag it to wherever I want it. So by doing this, I'm reordering and then I can tap done. And now those clips has been reordered on your Reel timeline on Instagram. So there you go guys, that's how to reorder clips on your Reel timeline on Instagram. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.